Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Useful News. Today we'll discuss about how to update Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer to the latest version. To the latest version. There's no built-in feature. There's no built-in feature for updating Internet Explorer. For updating Internet Explorer, you will need to rely on Windows Update. On Windows Update. When you update Windows, you update Windows, the browser updates for Internet Explorer. The browser updates for Internet Explorer are installed along with other updates with other updates for your Windows operating system. For your Windows operating systems. Also the latest Windows OS. Also the latest Windows OS, Windows 11 doesn't have Internet Explorer. Doesn't have Internet Explorer. So this section is relevant if you use Windows 10 or an older version of Windows and older version of Windows click the start menu button. The start menu button. Search search for check for updates and press enter. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.